¿Sacaste un 19 en el examen de Emmanuel? ¿Te quemaste en tu certificación de Microsoft? ¿Sabes que no tienes ninguna oportunidad de pasar esta clase? Bueno, no te preocupes, después de ver este video por lo menos tus chances de certificarte y ser alguien no tenderán a cero. Aquí tenemos a Fernando. Fernando nunca le prestó atención a Emmanuel en su clase porque estaba muy ocupado viendo peleas de espadas. Ahora Fernando no sabe qué hacer con su vida. ¿Qué tal si juntos ayudamos a Fernie a no ser un total fracaso? Fernando, haznos el favor y elimina tu existencia de esta pizarra. Como sabemos que hasta Fernando puede hablar inglés, continuaremos en este idioma. What is a network? It is simply two or more computers that exchange data. Its purpose is simply to enhance communication and collaboration, sharing of information and resources, organizing data, and saving costs. If a group of these computers are confined to a small geographic area, we call it a LAN or local area network. To set up a network like the LAN, we need some important components: a host, a central connecting device, and a number scheme to differentiate from one computer to the next. A host is any device that has an IP address. A central connecting device connects hosts and transmits data. The three connecting devices are the hub, the switch, and the router. The hub receives data from a host and then broadcasts the data to all other connected hosts on the network. The switch receives data from a host and then directs the data to its intended destination. It can unicast or multicast. Also, switches are the most common central connecting devices. The router acts as a gateway to other networks, allowing communication between hosts at different networks on different LANs. Oh, Fernando, I forgot to tell you that there are different types of LAN. The first one we showed you was a wired one. It uses Ethernet cables. Also, there are wireless LANs. They use a wireless access point to connect the hosts. We also have the VLAN, which are created on a switch so that networks can be organized more efficiently, and the DMCs, which consist of firewalls that protect a certain part of the LAN. Data is transferred serially or one bit at a time. It can go in a single bit stream in both directions. How fast it can travel is determined by the data transfer rate. It is expressed in bits per second. Before data is sent, it has to go through the following processes. Large chunks of data are broken into segments. Addressing information is added to each segment, making it a packet. Packets then travel to the network adapter where a little bit more of information is added and they become Ethernet frames. Each frame is then broken into a data stream of bits that travel over physical media when data is received. Then it goes through the same process in reverse. But then, how does data know where to go? Every computer and many other devices have an Internet Protocol address which uniquely identifies a device and its associated network. An IP address allows each computer to send and receive information back and forth in an orderly and efficient manner. The IP config shows the IP configuration information. The ping command allows us to test network connectivity between two hosts. A network topology defines the physical connections of a host in a network. There are four main types of topologies. In a bus topology, every device is connected via a copper cable in a lane. In a star topology, the most known and used, each host is connected to a central connecting device with twisted paired cabling. The ring topology consists of multiple devices connected to the LAN using a closed loop. And finally, the mesh. Apart from summoning Satan, this topology connects every other computer in a LAN, making this setup fault tolerant. Ethernet is a standard that defines how data is sent and received between devices. It was standardized by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers as 802.3. Common types of Ethernet include the 802.3U or Fast Ethernet and the 802.3AB or Gigabit Ethernet. Entonces, Fernando, ¿te sientes preparado para la próxima vez que tomes el examen? No olvides ver el video nuevamente para alcanzar mejores resultados.